Okay, we are live. Okay, I just gotta double check this real quick. Gotta make sure everything's good. That's weird. I don't know why it's giving that noise. That's weird. I don't know why it's giving that noise. That's weird. I don't know why it's giving that. Okay, let me just go here real quick. I'm just gonna adjust this. We're just gonna. All right, we're gonna do that. Let me check one more time. Make sure everything's good. Okay, it seems like it's holding up. Perfect volume. All right, let's get into it. Let's go there. Let's go there. So I'm just launching everything. Then blah 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 blah. And then we should be able to go
Connected.
Ready to trade. Blah 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 blah. And then we should be able to go Connected. Ready to trade. Blah blah blah. Okay, we're in. Here. Okay. So let's just see what's happening here. We're just gonna mark on some profiles here. Let's go here. Okay. So this is the zone that we're in right now. We'll see if it holds. This would have been a good buy opportunity. Just because we had aggressive sells get absorbed. Could have even taken this to value high. Even just 2-1 right there. Alright, that guy removed it. Okay. Let's go to range bars. I like the range bar. I go back and forth between the 1 minute and the range. And then let me just set up this. My bad. It's like way too close. This is crazy. Yeah, see it all these sell bubbles and they got absorbed value low. So you need some sort of reaction off the value high. I started a new combine to pass again on stream. That way we could just try to see how many we can pass and then just keep trading the ones that we have. I've been trading and then see how many payouts we can get between them. That'll kind of be the goal here. So, yep, that's what I'm anticipating. And then we will see. Turn this on real quick. All right. Hear me, Dad?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alrighty, I'm back. Kind of in another compression zone.
Yeah, no, it just like it doesn't look very, today doesn't look very good.
There's some good opportunities. I mean, that long off that value.
Oh yeah, yeah.
that one that I had marked out that I missed, but
Yeah, but the ranges are very small.
yeah.
But yeah, there are definitely those opportunities. Yeah, absolutely.
Yep. Absolutely, yeah. We're off the value area high for this compression zone, so we'll see if it holds or if it. I think this will be the point where it goes up to 440, just because this last swing down was where we had the most aggressive buying selling and buyers took over. So most likely this, if it breaks 402, we could go up to 440 now.
Yeah, I think they haven't really tested the overnight high yet.
Yeah, which is what they're gonna hit now. Gonna have to defend this area, otherwise it's gonna get stopped. They're gonna blow through this and go back down to the value low because we're at the point of control. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Yeah, I think the way we're going, we're gonna break the overnight high. Without a doubt.
Yeah, the compression continues.
Mm-hmm. Please have it.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Sierra Chart still haven't got those bubbles yet, huh? Sierra Chart still hasn't got those bubbles yet. Oh. Did Sierra Chart not get those bubbles yet?
What was that?
Has Sierra Chart's not gotten those bubbles yet?
No, not yet. Not yet. No, I've been looking this. I got the latest version. It's not there.
Not there. Not there.
Let me see. I'll double check, but
Let's see.
yeah, it could be. But
I'm gonna take a short here.
oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Delta's growing heavily, and we're testing the buyer low, which is a little riskier here, but I'm gonna target the previous compressions point of control for 1100. Risking $350 to make about 1100.
So did you go short?
I did, yes. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Right at 356. So I just I got two sub bubbles and I went short on when I broke the second sub bubble, but like I said, it's a little bit riskier here, but we were starting to fall, and then I was going to target the previous point of control because I think it's going to come down to that area. Because we bounced off the value area high, and then got confirmation of sub bubbles right here in value low, no aggressive bubbles, so.
It says 396, right?
My short?
Yeah.
No, my short is 356. I'm actually underwater right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my stop is 373. I'm YouTube live right now too, so.
Oh, okay. All right.
Mm-hmm. You can see my entry on there if you want, but yeah, we'll see. I might get. If this isn't hold here, then I'll get stopped and I'll be down almost $600 today. From that previous loss I took, so.
This morning.
Yeah. If this hits though, then I'll be up, I don't know, almost $1,000 today. $900, $800.
Yeah, no, it needs to break below that.
Yeah, it needs to break below that.
335. Yeah.
Yeah. Like I said, I took a slightly riskier short here, but it wasn't that bad because everything was lining up. And for this, if you look at the previous compression zone, the POC, which is right around 300 actually, and the way the Q delta is moving right now, we'll see. And I got stopped. Okay, down 640.
Bummer.
Yeah, not the easiest day, but it's all right. I will take another short if it comes down below the value low and I get aggressive selling again.
Yeah.
I'll probably recover all that loss. But I need to see it come down and test 349.
Yeah.
And then I'll with aggressive sells, then I'll take a short.
Oh wow, now it comes down.
Yeah, no, I knew it wants to come down. You can just see the CVD. You can see the way this zone's at in the compression zone. I think we're gonna. They failed to try to bring it up to the high again. I just don't think this is going to go up to the high. They bought it off the value area low, but this is going to be the second test. I should have waited for this test and then gone short, but
Hi. Oh, okay. Hi, Kian. Mm. No. Baby, yeah. Can we get coffee? Yeah. Yeah, we used this morning, so it'll be okay. No need to wash it. No, she'll be back tomorrow tonight. Basically, yeah, she left here Saturday night.
I'm short
Yeah.
again, so. I'm short again. We'll see this works out.
What does he want to do? I want to press the button. Ah, okay. Yeah, Sharissa just came down.
Oh, nice.
Did you hear? You could hear her, huh?
I could hear. Yeah, I could hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm short one more time. We'll see if it works out this time. The CVD's dropping again, so this is actually looking really good off the value low. go. Nice. Okay. I can almost protect myself here. Once I dip below
Yeah.
this 335, I'll start to protect myself. Lessen my risk a little bit. Come on. All right, there we go. We're starting to see some nice follow through now.
See how it reacts here.
I don't see aggressive sells, which is not good. You might not get the aggressive sells till 336 area.
What did he do? He fell down.
Wanted to push the cap down.
This one. Oh.
All right, we should see it hopefully come down further. Come on. We'll see what happens. Saw the value very low and we just broke back down below it again, so. Alright, see what happens here. There's buyers present around this area. I guarantee it. I just moved my stop to break even just because there's no aggressive selling going on, so.
No. Yeah,
I don't want to chance.
I'm looking.
Look at
Yeah, I'm looking at the delta. Looking at the delta profile. I guess you would expect those red bars to increase. They're not.
Yeah. Oh, here it goes.
But yeah. Wow.
Now it's starting to. It has to break this 330. I want to see aggressive sells here. I'm still not seeing it, so. If I can get the aggression here, then I should be able to protect myself even further and lock in some profit. But I've yet to get a single aggressive sell here, so. Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, no aggressive sells, so they're not following through. They're holding it though, which is good, but following through. They need to follow through with some aggression.
Yeah, the aggression may come in.
It's going to be
around 335. Yeah,
that's where I'm expecting it for sure.
Yeah.
Here it goes.
Because once it breaks that level, people jump on.
Yeah, they're going to start to hit aggressive orders here. If it does hit that 335 area, I should see it right now. Right about.
There we go. Come on.
Keep coming.
Actually, the delta profile is starting to look good.
Yeah, they're really. I mean, they're not allowing it to go up, which is good. And we're in the value area at low,
Yeah.
which is for this compression zone. So this is usually not a good sign that they haven't been able to bounce off this value area low. If it goes further below this, then I'll probably be okay. Come on. Get to 335. I want to see big aggressive sells. Come on. And if I see that, then I'll be okay. All Alright, we should see it here on this next push right here. I'm not seeing any aggressive buys either, so buyers aren't super serious here either. Come on. Oh, now I got aggressive sell and aggressive buy in the exact same location.
Yeah.
Right here, right at 342. If sellers win this, break below this, then yep.
Oh yeah.
There's
It
aggressive
looks like
sells.
that. Yeah.
Yep, now I'm getting them. Now they're gonna
Yeah.
try to jump on this train. I just need to
I
follow
can hear the
through.
beeping.
Come on. Seller got absorbed down there. If we break back below that seller at he's at 333, 3333, then I can move my stop above and lock in some profit.
He was just saying he wants to be baby.
Oh, the big baby. Big baby.
But he was walking away.
He knows how to operate it, huh?
He knows how to get that will get picture.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. We don't want to talk about the
Oh, yeah.
haircut. Kind of we gave him
Alright,
a bone or
good.
something.
When?
When we give him a haircut.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We don't give him
Keep
I
him.
don't
Oh, yeah.
I would not give her.
Uh,
I would not give her my time.
Don't break this cell zone. Come on.
oh, yeah. Who's that? No. Okay. Yeah.
What?
Oh, I didn't go. He went over there, huh?
Excuse me. Come on, it hasn't been able to break that aggressive sell at the bottom. Not yet.
Still. Yeah.
It's still fighting. I still think it's still gonna.
Oh, yeah. Still. Oh, yeah.
They're gonna test that area.
But this is not being bought. It's not being bought.
No, the sellers are definitely. Oh, I got another aggressive sell. It needs to follow through on this one, otherwise, this is not gonna be good. If it breaks below this, I can put my stop right above here. At least lock in. There it is. Yep. $155 no matter what. If it comes back up one more time. Zoom in here.
Is that? I-
Come on. Come on. There it is, yep. See you break below that level. Once it breaks below that level, some aggression, then I'll be good.
MES. Yes, it looks like it's breaking down. So
Yeah, here we go. Got two sub holes down here again. Same
yeah,
spot. They're
yeah,
aggressively trying to push
yeah,
this. We'll see if it continues.
yeah. Your next level will be around 316 because that's an opening range.
Yeah, I have mine targeting the previous compression zone POC, which is right around 300 is my exit.
Oh, okay.
Because it should come to that next volume area where we're technically on the value area high of that previous
Yeah,
compression zone, but I think it's going to come to that POC, which is obviously where the most volume is traded.
yeah,
Oh, now I got a big buy bubble here. A decent sized bubble. Not a huge one, but a good
yeah.
sized bubble.
I want to go Tegans. Are you gonna have another one?
Another one?
Are you gonna no? You just have one. Because you get to play with them there. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this buy bubble failed so far, so.
Was that? I don't know. I think that's probably for Zia. Oh, they could have gotten for Aza, but no, she's not sweet. I know she went to school today.
Well, I'm locking in $300 no matter what, so. There was a failed buy
That's
bubble.
good.
I put it above there, so.
Aqua?
We're at 320, 319, 317.
You want water? Yeah, agua. Okay. You want agua? There's agua.
It's looking good. Struggling a little bit here, but it's looking good. All right, we're about to get to the VWAP. Oh, wow. Aggressive sells. Jeez.
You wanna go home? Yeah.
Okay.
Holy moly.
Okay, put your car back. Put your car back. We gotta keep the cup here. Okay? Put the car back.
Okay. Do you know where it goes? Do you know where it goes?
Where'd you find it?
Yeah. Sure, I get it. It was right over here.
Like, was it
Yeah. Bye.
your coffee? Say bye.
See you later. Bye.
We're on the VWAP.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah. Still looking
Almost
good.
300.
Yeah. I think it's bound to go to 300 where the
Yeah.
POC is. It could even come all the way down to 270 just by the aggression coming here.
Yeah.
But I'm going to exit at 300 on the POC, call it a good trade. And then, all right. I'm protected.
There we go.
I've wiped all my losses no matter what if it comes back. And I'll be in profit slightly. And I got 8 more points. 5, 4, 3. I'm at max is right at 300. That's right where the POC is of that last compression zone. There'll be some buyers here off the VWAP, I guarantee it.
Yeah. Yeah, the VWAP. That's
But
always people buying at the VWAP.
look at the CVD though.
Oh yeah, it keeps going down.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I won't mind. Even if it hits me out here, then I'll still be in profit. I'll recover all my loss and be in profit. If it ends up hitting down, I'll be up $500, $400. Since I took that last loss, that was actually spot on. But
Oh yeah, it's gonna hit 300.
come on, it's a wicking. I don't know. It hasn't broken this close below this. Come on. There it goes. Now we're gonna hit that POC of the previous compression zone. It's having difficulties here.
Yeah.
But you probably have a lot of buyers here, and they're gonna bring it down. I think it's a little further to.
Hmm.
Sellers are definitely dominating right now. And I am.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it should be about out.
And I'm out. I'm out. Nice.
Yeah, it should be out, huh?
I'm out. Yep. I closed.
Yep.
Oh, that was a good trade. Okay, now we're at the previous compression zone's point of control, which I knew we would come to. And then now that we're kind of breaking down, what you could see is a possible retest of the previous, the one that the compression zone we were in, value area low, which would be somewhere up above 349, and then a sell off again. Well, I think I had a good exit. Unless this continues to fall, but. I got an aggressive bottle here. Yeah, the next area I want to see is it's right here. I want to see a. How do I draw here? How do you do the arrows? Let's see. So let's see that. Yeah, you want to see the test of the three. Let me see here. Go here. The 350 area. Oops, sorry. This is the area that I want to see. Right here. That dotted line is. See where that value area low is? Not that line, but the yellow line that I drew. Excuse me. You see that that yellow line that I drew out? Can you see that, Dad? See that? Can you hear me? All right. So this is what we're gonna look for right here. We're gonna look for the test, break, and retest of this value area low, and then we could possibly see a short down to here or back down to the point of control one more time, which is somewhere right around here. That will be a high probability short somewhere in this area right here. I would need to see an aggressive sell level here, and then we would take the short. This is the yellow lines, the VWAP. So look at these ranges. So sorry, let me turn this off. So this is one compression zone. This is the value area high, value area low. The reason I went short is because we were breaking down. We got aggressive sells. I went short here, caught it down. I kind of knew it was a more riskier trade, but I anticipated that this was just going to continue to sell off the value area low, which we did. I caught a scalp on that. And then the next possible play is we broke the value low, so this would be the best setup. Break, retest the value low. And then I targeted this POC, which was right here, of this previous compression zone. Yeah, that's going to be the two plays I will be looking at right now. And then for a long, possibly.
Okay.
Yeah, for the long, we could see it come all the way down to the daily value area low, which is 264. I sent you that photo of the that of what I'm looking at right there.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, it's the that photo I sent you with that yellow line right there, with the value area low of that compression zone. I'm looking for a retest of that with an aggressive
Oh, okay.
sell.
I see. Okay.
That would be the most highest probability chance there of the actual.
Yeah.
Because that's what Fabio waits for. Break and retest of those.
Those areas? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, look, if you saw in the morning, we had if you look at the morning with the kind of when we came down to that area, like I was talking about, like 320, 326, 331 area.
Yeah.
This was the area that you were wanting to take a long off of, which would have worked out. I'll send it to you. Right here. That was the area right there.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
You
Yep.
see that? That was the long. So you had the value area high from the morning, from the compression zone. You had the break, then we had the retest, and then it ended up coming up. You would have taken profit. You could have targeted the previous high, which it would have hit. Wow. Look at the CVD. That is very telltale. Man, that CVD is just tumbling.
Oh, yeah. That's,
Yeah, it's just 5, 6 straight aggressive sells.
oh, yeah. Especially in 1 minute. Yeah.
Yeah, your last buy that you want to take is going to be right down here where the value area low is.
Yeah. One of the guys this morning made a comment on NinjaTrader about this looking like a bear flag. He could be right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have taken that. Yeah, it's short right around 335.
Yeah, you could have done the breakout right there and scalp a little bit. Yep, so now possible long off the value or low, possibly. Depending how it reacts, this could be a good scalp. But this is actually pretty aggressive, so. Man, my short was spot on.
That was a great short. Yeah.
I would have held on to that shit a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Shit. That's all right. I followed my game plan.
It's always that's why some people like to scale.
Yeah.
But the scale with big contracts is a big game.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. Not right now, not unless I go up big. Yeah, we haven't quite touched so the value area low for that previous compression zone is going to be at 257. And that's where I would want to see a reaction to it, and then I can scalp it up to like a 40-point scalp back up to the point of control, back up to 295. And then maybe, let me see here. Let's erase some of this stuff out of the way. Let me try this real quick. I just want to see what this looks like. What the previous leg is looking like. Yeah, so you can actually scalp it up almost up to 340 if it bounces off this area at the bottom. 257 to 340.
Okay, yeah.
That would be the long play. So I may do that. If I get aggressive buying and it reacts to it nicely, I'll take a long position here. So the risk on this is going to be, we'll see what the risk will be if I do get aggressive buying down here. I'm going to look for a buy at around 257 if I get aggressive buying. We are bouncing off the daily value area low, but I want to see it go to the previous compression zone
Mhm.
value area low, which would be 257, and then I want to see buying off that. But it could bounce off the daily value area low, which is where we're at right now. But we'll see. Come on.
Are you still on YouTube or no?
Yep, I'm still YouTube. Still live.
It's funny, I don't see your.
You don't see the link?
Oh, okay, let me see. Oh yeah, I see it now.
Yeah, and one of my videos that I went live, I got like almost 100 views on it. It was like 70,
Oh, is
80,
that?
100.
That's
Yeah,
cool.
after I think I got done recording it, but I don't know if people came back
Yeah.
and watched it or what it was, but okay, I want to see what happens at 357 if we get a nice buying reaction up there.
Yeah.
Or an aggressive sell that get absorbed, and then we get a buying bubble, then I'll take a buy off that and put my stop below the aggressive sell bubbles. But this is where it's going to become cheap enough for buyers to buy again, possibly, and take it up to previous legs POC, which is I got one buy bubble here, but this will be at 339. Okay, just keep that in mind. 339. Yeah, right at 357 is going to be where buyers will probably step in again. Okay. Got my area known. 357, possibly buy back up to 340, 339. I'll go to the previous top of this range. Okay. Yeah, we're right at the value area low. We have some support here, so
Mhm.
which it could bounce off this because it's the daily value area low. So between this and 357 is where you look for potential buys if you're going to take a buy. All right, got my first aggressive sell right at
Mhm.
for 257, which I'm talking about. Sorry, 257, not 357. So if I get a potential
Yes.
buy, yeah, I might get a potential buy here. This looks like absorption. We'll see if I get a buy bubble. If they actually engage, they don't, then I won't take the trade. Okay, I'm gonna put a buy stop order right above 269. If it breaks back above that, I'll have a small stop loss. I'm in. I'm only risking 250. I'm risking basically half my profits. And then I'll target. I'm just gonna target like the lower range, which is I'll target $1,000. Wow. I can move my stop to break even once we close above 84.50. Wow. That was a nice placement of a long so far. Do you see my long?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
So we had to break above 84.50. Otherwise, I can't move my stop until then because I'll get wicked out here if I do. I'd rather just take the risk here and follow my rule. If we break back above, then that'll give me protection of that big buy bubble right at 80.50, which would be nice to close above that. Then I get protection.
Mm-hmm.
It'll probably come back up and test VWAP. And then I'll just trail it up. All right, now I'm gonna put my stop below aggressive sells. So I'm break even now. This trade's break even. All right, I'm up 400. Damn, beautiful buy entry. Like I said, you saw that 357 area that I was talking about. 257, sorry, 257 between 257 and the value area low, 265. Then you saw the aggressive sells, like I was saying, where you get absorbed. They got absorbed. Then you got the buy bubble that formed. I put my buy stop right above the buy bubble. And then we'll see.
Okay.
Now I'm protected. So if it comes back down, then I'm not going to want to be in this trade. It has to hold here. If it doesn't hold here, then if this trade hits, then I'll probably be done for the day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That'll be put me up almost at $1,500 if this hits. But you look at the CVD, it's actually looking pretty good on the buy side for me. The CVD is climbing.
Yeah. It's balanced.
Yeah, which would be probable because we're at the value area low, so they're going to buy here. If they're going to buy, it's going to be the area where they want to buy. Or it becomes cheap enough for buyers again, but they're going to need that aggressive push, and they're not getting that aggressive push right now. There it is, yep. Nice. Come on. Break above all these sell bubbles. We have a lot of sell bubbles up here to go through. And there we are. And there we go. Okay, now I can move it up slightly, my stop. I can protect myself, trail it right above, guarantee myself $130. If it breaks above this, wow. Fabulous entry. Fabuloso. We just got an aggressive bubble at 300 and no follow through yet, so if it fails this auction here, then it could come ripping back down again. But if you look at the CVD, it's actually growing here on this candle again on my range bar. Are you in a position or no?
No.
No. Yeah, that bubble got absorbed, which is not good. I need to break back above. Back above 300. You probably have some sellers here sitting at the whole number 300. Some limits and...
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that.
because this is that last potential area where I would take a buy. If it breaks this, then I'm not going to want to be in any of this. Still holding, still fighting. The only thing I don't like right now is the CVD's negative. But the good thing is it's not moving in the down aggressively, which is could be absorption here, where this buy bubble was. It could be absorbing these sellers that are trying to push us at 300. We got another buy bubble here. If this breaks back above, I'll at least be able to pick above. Okay. I'll protect myself. If it breaks above 302, I'm going to protect myself. It'll be with $300 profit no matter what. So if it does, but it has to break above 302. But CVDs is getting negative again. This is not good.
Mhm.
I don't like to see that at all, especially with the move we're trying to push up. And it's strong on the cells.
Mhm.
Come on, break above 302.25. Get a nice strong push. I can protect myself. Come on. Yep, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Nice. Okay, I'm locking myself $300 no matter what. Put me at almost $800 no matter what. Wow. VWAP test from the bottom. People are going to be shorting this right when it hits this. I'll lock myself $400 no matter what. Right below that buy bubble. It's either 400 or 1,000. One of the two.
Mhm.
Oh, wow. Maybe I'll exit on the VWAP. Just trying to be a bad exit here. I'm going to let it ride. I'm going to let it ride. Yeah, that VWAP bounced right off it. Damn, okay. I knew this would be a little bit of trouble on the VWAP.
Yeah. Yeah, I know people are waiting there. You know, there's
Yeah.
like
Well, it's kind of like a break and
big volume,
retest of the VWAP. So
big volume delta.
yeah, I knew that. I probably should have exited the VWAP. That'd be the next. Yeah. Oh well. Right below there. I'm protected, so it doesn't matter. Does not matter here. My trailing stops at 290.50. and out. Okay. And then watch it go all the way up. Yeah. I'm still up $900 today, so.
That's can't complain about that.
Nope. Down. I was down 600. Almost 700. Yeah, that thing is it's gonna go up to that POC from the, like I said, 339. I think it was 339 is the POC of this last leg. Yeah. Well, I'll be back. I'm gonna make some breakfast, and then maybe catch one more move before I go to the gym.
Yep. Yeah, I'll keep looking because I've missed most of them today. Couldn't really focus.
This buy opportunity was pretty good. It was a nice buy.
Yeah.
I mean, at the peak of it, I was up. Damn, I was up $1,000. Or no, I was up. Sorry, 309, and my entry was at 270. I was up $800 at the peak.
Okay.
Still not a bad trade.
Mhm.
All right, I'll be right back.
All right. Okay.
See you in a little bit. All right, guys. I'm jumping off. I'll be back. I'll probably stream again, maybe for an hour or two before I go to the gym, and up 900. Not a bad day. So, all right. It was a good day so far. I was down 700 and ended up clawing all the way back. So, hey, it's down 700 up to almost 1,000. Recovered nicely. Potential moves before I go back up to here, possibly 348 retest, or we go up to the point of control around 339 we sell off again. So I'll keep an eye out for that. But I'm gonna go make breakfast. It was nice being on. Thank you guys for joining, and I will catch y'all tomorrow or later on in an hour or so. All right.